Although Globalstar's first quarter 2025 earnings report revenue missed expectations, they remain optimistic about future growth as they forecast a 15% annual revenue growth over the next 3 years, compared to the U.S. telecom industry's projected growth of only 3%. Moreover, Globalstar recently launched a two-way satellite IoT solution via their LEO constellation, expanding beyond traditional one-way tracking. This milestone is attributed to the success of the company's refocused product development team under new leadership. They have also appointed Dr. Tamer Kudus as VP and GM of Terrestrial Spectrum and Network Solutions and Daman Hejmati as VP and GM of Wholesale Satellite Capacity to drive growth in key business segments. The appointment of seasoned executives like these is expected to drive growth in key business segments. Additionally, Globalstar opened a state-of-the-art Satellite Operations Control Center (SOCC) at their Covington, Louisiana headquarters, enhancing satellite fleet management and network performance. The XCOM RAN business has not yet released forward-looking revenues, but is confident about moving forward with its primary initial customer being a large retailer. They have expanded their direct sales capability to explore opportunities beyond the current customer and secured some initial government contracts that they hope will grow. Regarding bringing more vendors into the ecosystem, XCOM has developed new lower-cost radios that offer flexibility in terms of bands covered and support Band 53 and CBRS. They are also interested in unlicensed cellular opportunities, using Band 53 as an anchor channel to provide cost and performance benefits. The importance of Band 53 as an anchor spectrum is crucial for mission-critical applications due to its guaranteed availability compared to CBRS, which hasn't met expectations for private network businesses. The global Band 53 spectrum provides a differentiated position, especially for global IoT applications. As for the replenishment constellation and Aurora satellites, the launch date for the 50 satellites has not been announced yet, and the service fees tied to the CapEx for replacement satellites will start once the first batch is operational. 2 launches are expected, but the second one hasn't been contracted yet. The financial implications of the service fees related to the replacement satellites will be an increase once the first batch of replacement satellites goes operational and starts providing service. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.